Look at little Kimberly Ann. Just 9 weeks old, peacefully asleep after a good feeding. Her tiny snores are completely normal for a baby her age. Her body is hard at work, growing and developing while she rests. It's amazing how, after a full tummy, babies like her drift into such a deep sleep, letting out those gentle, adorable snores, all part of the process of growing up healthy and strong.